Oh, one more. Oh, let's go. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Smart Chip. Today I'm going to show you how to use this. This radish. This giant thing. We're going to take this radish and I'm going to show you two different Korean dishes to make with the radish. The first is Musaengchae. Musaengchae is a spicy radish side dish. Thinly slice our radish and put it away. It's almost like a radish kimchi. Very delicious and a very common side dish that you find in Korea. The second method is the radish. It's like a pickled radish. In fact, it's going to be basically the same radish that you get when you go to a Korean fried chicken restaurant. You get these really delicious cubed radish pieces that go great when you're eating some fried food. Let's begin. Okay, so it's been a few days. I've let them sit in the fridge for about 3 days since I've made these. Let's see how they taste. You can eat them straight away, but honestly, give it a few days. You get a much better flavor. White radish first. Ooh. So let's see if this tastes like the original, like you would get in a restaurant or when you order chicken. What I love about cooking this is it's so easy. Water, vinegar, sugar. And the flavor is almost exactly the same as the one you get from the chicken shop. Oh, one more. Oh, let's go. Now, Musaengchae, the spicy one. I love that flavor. Spicy, bit of vinegary, and then that perfect sort of radish aftertaste. So it's great, and a great side dish that you can put with a lot of other dishes. I'm gonna eat. I've actually got a meal that I'm gonna cook, so keep an eye out in an upcoming video, and you might see these lovely radishes being used. All right, enjoy, cook something nice, and I know you guys out. See ya.